Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Indiva here, and today I created this really classic smoky eye, so keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe also and hit the like button. Here I have done with my concealer part and now directly jumping to the eyeshadow palette. And today I am taking revolutionary eyeshadow palette, that is Forever Flawless Fire. And I am taking the brown color from the palette. And also I am applying the eyeshadow with the help of fluffy brush, that is from London Pride. And yes, if you want to know that what are the brushes I am using, then please go and check in the description box. It's not mandatory to take the same palette that I have taken. You can use any of the palette that you are having. Just go for the brown color as a transition color. And now taking the second shade, that is little darker than the previous one. And now applying the shade with the help of angular brush, that is from Sigma. Now doing the same thing, just below the first color I am going to follow my crease line and moving the brush in the back and forth direction. For smudging this line, I am again taking the fluffy brush. As you can see that I am following the same step, like I am moving the brush in the circular motion for the perfect blending. And now I am taking the black color, and this is most important step in this look, so definitely take your time when you are working with black eyeshadow. And then I went back into those previous shades. It's just really to blend everything out. So here I am taking Maybelline gel liner, as I want to use a cream base, so I am taking here this Maybelline gel eyeliner, which is very deep in black color, and I just pick all over my lid area. I find this product very creamy and super blendable, and yes, I actually love this product. And yes, I am taking this as a base because I feel like the pigment really stuck it in well. Now taking the black color from the palette, I am going to apply all over the gel liner. I think by applying this comes out like a game changer thing. And honestly, it's very stunning. And yes, you can also create this look by your own products. This video is only for the steps that how I achieve this classic smoky eye. Now again taking the black color and applying under my waterline with the help of angular brush. And now I'm going to apply kajal into my waterline. And this is the last step that I'm going to apply the mascara. Firstly, I'm going to apply on my upper lashes, then on my lower lashes. And now highlighting the inner corner. Before starting the video, I just forgot to fill my eyebrows. Now I'm filling my brows. I have applied the lashes off camera and here is the final look.